Hello everyone, this is not an update. I got some advice from someone on YouTube to see if my plum stick was still viable. They said to give it the scratch test to see if it was green. If I still see some green after I scratch it, then it's still viable. But if I don't see any green, then I officially have a stick. So I'm going to, let me see, probably come right here and scratch. I'm going to have to put the phone down for just a second so I can scratch it real good, then I can let y'all see. I'll be scratching right up in, let me see, I'll be right up in here. Alright, let me set the phone down so I can scratch it. Okay. So I did the scratch test. And if my camera will just look at, let me see. As y'all can see, there is no green. There is no green. It's all brown. Yeah, so that's all brown. There's no green. So that green thing down there, that was a weed that must have blown in. And up here, I have a plum stick. There is no green. Oh, that sucks. This tree cost me a little over $30. Well, this stick, this is the most expensive stick ever. So I'm not going to throw my stick away because it cost me $30-something for this little stick. But this is a learning situation. Watch who you buy your trees and things from, because this is ridiculous.